Hey everybody, this is Greg, 2 months later, looking a little more haggard than Greg 2 months back. Greg, am I looking a little more haggard 2 months later?
Hell yeah. Back to you, Greg.
Okay. Hey, do you want to see a new Adobe feature that honestly may have changed the photo game forever? You don't? Okay. Just kidding, of course you do! So let's jump into Lightroom. I'm gonna show you a picture of Cedar Point Light house, and we're gonna do something in Lightroom that has truly changed the photo game. So jump in and I'll show you what I'm talking about. Okay folks, here we are in Lightroom. Here's a picture of the Cedar Point Lighthouse, the sole remnants of the Cedar Point Lighthouse experience. Very interesting location, worth looking up. But what I want to show you here is something of a game changer. If we look to the right, I've already edited this image. We got, I cropped it from a bigger, wider 3x4 straight out of the camera, 4x3, what have you. Thought the one-to-one would look nice. Get rid of all the background action, focus on the image. But we've covered that in previous installments. What I want to talk about is we scroll down and look here. Early access lens blur. Let's turn this off. This is the original image. As you can see, if we click I, this was taken at f5.6, and look, everything in focus as best as f5.6 can do. But what I did here using the early access lens blur, booyah, this makes it look like a 2.8 lens, which my 3.5 to 5.6, 24 to 240 is certainly not. What we are shown here are 3 different sliders. The blur amount, we have it set at 28, but we can up this to make this look like a 1.8 lens. Extreme blur going on. Of course, change that to your liking. But this goes further than just adding blur. As you may see, made recently famous by Apple iPhone offerings. But this adds different bokeh, which may be a little difficult to see in this example, but 5-blade, commonly seen in vintage lenses, ring, commonly seen in reflex or mirror lenses, cat eye, I mean, my goodness, it is so customizable. And of course, let's say we don't want this sign in focus, but the house itself. Looky here, folks. We just slide this, and bam, as if straight out of the camera. I am anticipating this to be a severe game changer in the photo world with regards to post-processing, but with regards to also budgeting. Let's say you can't afford a 1.8 aperture lens, like old Greg here. Please like and subscribe. Now you can replicate that to an extremely convincing degree in post. I am very, very excited about this development. It is truly going to usher in an enhanced image quality to images straight out of your phone, straight out of a digital camera from 2003. Doesn't matter. With this technology, I just can't wait to see what people come up with. And I can't wait to use this again, especially when I'm limited kit-wise and in the field. And the worst feeling is returning back home, uploading the images and saying, oh man, I wish I had this in focus. I wish I had that in focus. Now you can theoretically just shoot f8, f11, expose for everything each time out, and then customize and post. Game changer, baby. Don't usually use those words, but here we are. So there you have it. New Lightroom feature. Pretty cool. I think so cool even Greg from 2 months back would agree with me.
That's right, Greg, and if I may say so, those were beautiful photos. Great job post-processing them. And for all you folks watching, I'll see you next time. Peace.